Guys, you're not gonna regret this. It's my fancy lamp. Take this stupid lamp and... Yeah, it's my lamp. Stupid lamp. Gosh. Sorry guys, I'll just adjust it. This stupid lamp. Gosh. This lamp cut off. So, do this. Stupid thing just cut my lamp? Of course. There it has to be cut out. How stupid. Great. Now to whether I fix my light again. Sorry guys, I had to fix my light. Oh well. I'll try again. Fancy stuff get knocked over a lot. The auto's had it. Alright. Well, sorry about the audio light. Unfortunately, one of my lines are out. And so is this fancy lamp. So, they got cut out. That's probably why. Stupid remote? It's the remote's fault. Junk? Oh, now to adjust the camera, the same thing. So, yeah, unfortunately, stupid lights are completely out. Just salt my camera. Stupid thing. Fancy lip is salting my camera. What I put my frick remote? Stupid thing just bounced off towards my camera again. I'm sick of this lamp. It's salting my camera again. Keep just salting it. Oh, it's hitting my head. Stupid thing. Break my fancy lamps. Gosh. It's have to knock me in my head. Oh, gosh. It's almost knocked me in my head. Sorry, guys. I'll just adjust the camera. Looks like I took advantage. It's my fancy glove. Gosh. I hate wearing these winter gloves. But I have to wear them. They're cold. Oh, one thing. Stupid thing. Oh, knock my camera over. Stupid camera. Stay on it. I need a tripod. Not my fancy floorboards. And the remotes. Oh, this one's not on my video. What's there? Oh, stupid glove just slipped down my freaking hand. Stupid glove. Junk? Piece of junk with my cardboard. Thing? Oh, I hit my freaking nightlight again, and the camera too.